Family and Friends, Multi-ROM 1. Unit 11.
I like monkeys.
Listening 111. Listen and point.
Elephant, giraffe, monkey, big, tall, little, monkey, tall, giraffe, big, elephant, little.
Listen and repeat.
Elephant, giraffe, monkey, big, tall, little.
Listening 112. Listen and chant.
Elephant, elephant, elephant. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Big, big, big. Tall, tall, tall. Little, little, little.
Listening 113. Listen and read.
The zoo. Great. I like animals.
Look at the elephants, Billy.
Oh, no. I don't like elephants. They're big.
Look at the giraffes.
Ah, I don't like giraffes. They're tall.
Billy, you like animals, but you don't like elephants and you don't like giraffes.
Look over there. I like monkeys. I like monkeys. They're little, and I'm little too.
Yes, they're funny, and you're funny too.
Listening 114. Listen and point.
Tiger, snake, parrot, polar bear, seal, polar bear, snake, tiger, seal, parrot.
Listen and repeat.
Tiger, snake, parrot, polar bear, seal.
Listening 115. Listen and sing Let's Go to the Zoo.
Hooray! Let's go to the zoo, zoo, zoo. What about you? You can come too. Let's go to the zoo, zoo, zoo.
Hear the snakes hiss, 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 hiss. Hear the snakes hiss, hiss, hip, 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 hooray!
Let's go to the zoo, zoo, zoo. What about you, you, you? You can come too, too, too. Let's go to the zoo, zoo, zoo.
Hear the parrots squawk, 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 squawk. Hear the parrots squawk, squawk. Hip, 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 hooray.
Let's go to the zoo, zoo, zoo. What about you, you, you? You can come too, too, too. Let's go to the zoo, zoo, zoo.
Listening 116. Listen and point.
K, a, t. Cat. M, a, n. Man. F, a, n. Fan.
Listen and repeat.
K, a, t. Cat. M, a, n. Man. F, a, n. Fan.
Listening 117. Listen and chant.
The cat's got a hat. The cat's got a hat. Ah, 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 ah. The man's got a fan. The man's got a fan. Ah, 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 ah.
Listening 118. Read and listen to the poem.
What am I? I am an animal at the zoo. Listen now, this is true. I'm yellow and brown, my tongue is red. I've got 2 little ears on top of my head. My neck is long and I am tall. I haven't got any hands at all. I can see the tops of trees. My food is there. I like green leaves. To get my food, my tongue is long. Can you guess? Don't get it wrong. So what am I? Do you know? Point to me and say hello.
Listening 119. Listen and number. 1,
Look at all the animals, Toby.
Wow! Let's see the little monkeys first. I like monkeys. They're my favourite animals.
2,
I really like elephants, Mum. They're big and grey, and they've got big ears.
3,
Oh, look at these polar bears.
Yes, one is big and one is little. It's a mum and baby. I really like polar bears.
4,
Oh no! Let's not see the snakes, Mum. They're long and scary. I don't like snakes.
5,
Quickly, Toby. Look.
I like these animals. They're so cute. I like seals a lot.
6,
But I don't like lions. They're very big. I don't like them.
Yes, me too. Let's go.